In this video, I will explain what nonlinear editing is, how it differs from linear editing, and what are some of the benefits and tips of using nonlinear editing software. Nonlinear editing, or NLE for short, is a form of editing that allows you to make changes to a video or audio project without following the linear timeline. This means you can work on any clip you want in any order, regardless of where it is in the final sequence. For example, you can start editing the ending of your video before working on the beginning, or you can move clips around as you please without affecting the rest of the project. Nonlinear editing is different from linear editing, which is the traditional method of editing that involves cutting and splicing physical tapes or reels. In linear editing, you have to assemble your project from start to finish in a fixed order. You can only replace or overwrite sections of material, but you cannot cut something out or insert extra material without affecting the whole sequence. Linear editing is also a destructive process because it modifies the original content. Nonlinear editing has many advantages over linear editing. First of all, it does not alter the original content. You can upload all your clips to a video editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro 1 and then drag and drop them to the desired locations on the timeline. If you don't like how something looks, you can easily move it or undo it without damaging the original files. You can also edit videos on your mobile device with apps like Adobe Premiere Rush. Secondly, nonlinear editing gives you more creative freedom and flexibility. You can start working on any part of your project that you want without having to follow a predetermined plan. You can also use trial and error to experiment with different edits and effects until you find the best ones for your video. Nonlinear editing allows you to use multiple video and audio tracks, which means you can overlap and overlay clips to create transitions, composites, picture-in-picture effects, and more. To use nonlinear editing effectively, you need to have a good video editing software that suits your needs and budget. There are many options available, both free and paid, for different platforms and skill levels. Some of the most popular free ones are VSDC2, iMovie, and DaVinci Resolve. Some of the most popular paid ones are Adobe Premiere Pro 1, Vegas Pro, and Final Cut Pro. You also need to have a clear idea of what you want to achieve with your video project and organize your clips accordingly. You can use folders, bins, labels, or metadata to sort your clips by category, theme, scene, or any other criteria that makes sense for your workflow. You can also use markers, notes, or comments to highlight important points or reminders for yourself or your collaborators. Finally, you need to have some basic knowledge of video editing techniques and principles, such as cutting, trimming, transitions, effects, color correction, audio mixing, and exporting. You can learn these skills from online tutorials, courses, books, or blogs that cover various aspects of nonlinear editing. You can also watch other videos that inspire you and analyze how they were edited. I hope this video has given you a good overview of what nonlinear editing is and how it can help you create amazing videos. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more vlogs on video production topics.